Hello you guys, I'm back with another video. Today we're going to be talking about astral projection. I know I've been getting multiple requests. I've been working on astral projecting, working on nailing down the technique, making it so it's more than a 90% success rate. And the methods I'm going to be sharing with you guys today is going to guarantee success for you guys. I know there's a lot of videos out there on astral projection. A lot of people are saying certain things. I'm trying ways that other people are saying that using their techniques, but I'm finding them to be a little difficult. So these are my ways that I'm doing it that are working for me. Alright, so I know it's been a while since I actually talked about astral projection, but I'm going to bring it back in my video and just to help you guys that are struggling with this technique. So first off, what is astral projection? Astral projection is when you get your mind frame, and you bring your thoughts into your focus on your body, your astral body. We have 7 bodies. We have ethereal body is another, etheric body is another body that may play a role in astral projection that we may use. Now, the beginning steps to do astral projection, I know a lot of people say you want to start off when you're least tired so you don't fall asleep, but I find more success when you're tired, when you're extremely tired, exhausted. And the reason for this is because when you're extremely tired, you get to that point of deep meditation in your mind faster than you would if you were fully awake. So what you guys want to need to do for beginning steps is to make sure you're very tired after a hard day at work or whatever it is you guys do, and you want to lay down in your bed. This works best on your back. I know you could do it sitting in a chair, but I find it very easy on your back because you can relax all the muscles and you're not using any muscles to sustain yourself. So what you want to do next is you want to lay down and you want to silence your thoughts. Now this is a hard part because you're going to get all these thoughts coming in your mind, which is fine. It's fine until you want to silence it enough to where you get into a sleep. So just pretend that you're going to sleep, except the point of astral projection is a point right before you go into sleep mode. Your mind is in a delta state of mind. It's a very, very deep meditative state. So what you want to do is you want to lay there and you want to do affirmations. So which are just a certain phrase, and just repeat it over and over in your head. You could do, for example, you could say, I am astral projecting. I am astral projecting. Or repeat that phrase, or just whatever phrase you guys choose. Could be anything. What this does is it gets your mind focused on what you're saying, and it's keeping your mind awake enough. Because the thing you want to do is you want to get to the point of sleep without falling asleep. So as you're doing this affirmations, I know there's other ways you could do. I've heard where you could have your hand up, and as soon as it just concentrate on keeping it up, and as soon as it falls down, then it wakes you up enough so you don't fall asleep. But affirmations work the best just because you're not using any muscles, and that's a big key. You want to relax all your body muscles. What you're going to notice is after saying these affirmations, you're going to start to drift off to sleep, and you'll notice if you're keeping your affirmations and staying awake, the point before you fall asleep, you're going to start feeling these vibrations, or you might get some sounds in your ears, you might get some flashes of light. You want to keep your eyes closed through this whole process. What you're going to do is you're going to feel these vibrations, and the important part now is you want to bring in some astral. You want to bring some astral light or chi energy. You want to bring in this white chi energy through your head. You're going to bring it down into your throat chakra. And then in your throat chakra, you're going to build up this white energy, and then you're going to spread it through your body. And as you're spreading it through your body, you're going to give the intent to astral project. So you're going to give the intent to increase these vibrations. So you're going to feel the vibrations getting stronger as you bring this energy through your whole body. And as you are building up this energy, and as you're getting your vibrations raised, you're ready for separation. What you want to do is you want to visualize a second body of yours above your body. You want to visualize it laying above, about, I'd say, 2 feet above your body. And as you're doing this, you're gonna transfer these vibrations and your state of mind into that body, and that's gonna be your astral body, your body that you're gonna use to travel the astral realm. And you will start to feel a transition. I know this is a tricky part. Sometimes when you get to this point, you get overexcited and you wake up, or you get overexcited and you can't control where your astral body goes. You might be flying around in circles or just not being able to control it. But if you build this body above yours, I find it very easy to transfer that energy into that astral body, and then you'll be able to freely roam around. Now, astral projection is safe, 100% safe. There's people out there that say it's not, but it is safe unless someone comes in with it. You're connected with an astral cable, an astral energy cord that links your body to your physical body. So the only way that you could die during astral projection is if that cord gets severed somehow. Someone comes by with a pair of astral scissors and cuts it. But other than that, you're safe. You're 100% safe. And if you bring this white light to your physical body before you astral project, you're going to be protected from any entities that are going to try to, if there are any, that are going to harm you. This astral light is going to protect you. So I hope this is very helpful for you guys that are looking for astral projection. Let me know in the comments if it helped. If you have any other questions, leave a comment below. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment, and have a great day.